In this video, I'll show you how to install a new PVC P trap. I just installed a new sink pop-up drain and decided to replace the P trap along with it. Step 1. Remove your old P trap by loosening the coupling nut and pulling the assembly out. Step 2. You will need to buy a P trap kit and an extension like this one. I have links in the description below. Step 3. I laid out my P trap first and assembled these two pieces like this and used this coupling nut to assemble them together so it looks like this when it's done. Next, I used existing coupling nut and the gasket that will be screwed into the wall. Step 4. I opened the extension and it usually comes along with a coupling nut and a gasket. Then I ended up using a smaller gasket that came with my P-trap kit and installed the coupling nut first and placed the gasket with the flat end facing up to the nut and screwed the extension on. Step 5. I took a longer piece of the P-trap that is going into the wall and installed it into the wall. Then I took another coupling and a gasket and placed it on the extension so I can assemble the U-shaped pipe together with the piece that's sticking out of the wall. Finally, I made some small minor adjustments and hand tightened all the coupling nuts. And that's it! And check out my plumbing playlist that I have right over here.